Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNeo. Today, we will walk you through how to discover trending sounds on Instagram. Let's dive in. You can discover trending sounds on Instagram in several ways. Scroll through your Instagram feed. While scrolling, pay attention to Instagram Reels. Look for the tiny arrow next to a sound that indicates a trending sound. Tap on the sound to view its details, including its origin, how many Reels have used it, and save it for later. Use the search option. Navigate to the search section on your account and search for trending audio. You can search for specific genres like pop audio or tags related to trending audio. Tap on the audio or tag to explore trending sounds and hashtags. Browse Instagram's weekly trend report. Follow Instagram's creators' account for the weekly trend report. Every Friday, Instagram shares the top Instagram Reels trends for creators. Additionally, creators often share general Instagram tips, including insights about the algorithm. For more tech tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.